Hi, in this video I want to show you a step-by-step demo of the controller cybersecurity lab using Docker. So we're going to start the containers, open the Kai inside the Kali environment and run a test against a metasploitable target. So for this part we have already the file configured. We can see it here in the Dockerized part of the Kai GitHub. So now we have this already configured. We are going to start a terminal here, as we can see. Now we are going to be sure to have the Olama already installed and also the Docker running. So now we are going to put a Docker Compose up to run the containers. Yeah. Now we see we have the containers running, so we are going to see to the detail. We are going to do a Docker PS. So here we can see the Kai and the metasploitable Docker. So for now, the next step is to see what IP it's from the metasploitable to use it after in the Kali environment. So for this part, we are going to use it a Docker inspect. So here we can see the IP. Okay. So this we are going to put it in a note. Okay. So now we are going to run the Kai. For this, we are going to run a docker exec. Okay. Docker exec it Kai. That is the name of the container. So we are going to open with a bash. As we can see, we are already inside the container of the Kai. And now we are going to run the Kai. Okay. Yeah. So now we are inside the Kai. We have for the model where we are going to use it, the LLM or Llama Mistra. The Kai agent type, we are going to use the one to all agent. Also, we can change it with the agent. Okay. And the network agent. As we can see, we have the network security analyzer. So here we can see the description of the agent, and now we are going to run a small um, prompt to see if it works. So we are going to put that enumerate the open ports of the IP that we have already that it's from our meta-explorable environment. So as we can see, we are going to run it. So now it's running. We are going to wait a few minutes. Okay. After that, as we can see, we have an N map. Uh, this happened because the LLM traduced our prompt to the agent to do an nmap to do what is happening, what ports are open. So as we can see, we had a few ports that is configured to be open to do the test, and here we can see that our Kai works well with this test. So for this part, it's it's complete, and thank you for your time.